In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Windows 10 system. Whether you're looking to give your PC a fresh start or solve a pesky problem, resetting might be the solution you need. So let's walk through the process step by step to help you get your system back on track. First, we need to open the Settings menu. The fastest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the I key simultaneously. This handy shortcut takes you straight to the Settings window, saving you precious time. Once Settings is open, you'll see a variety of options. We want to focus on the Update and Security section, so go ahead and click on Update and Security. This hub houses a variety of settings related to Windows updates, backups, and importantly for us, recovery options. Next, navigate to the recovery option on the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to reset your PC. Within the recovery tab, look for the section that reads Reset this PC. This section is crucial because it allows you to refresh your system without losing all your files. Once you've found it, click on the Get Started button, which is positioned prominently within this section. At this juncture, you have a decision to make. Windows 10 offers two primary reset options: keeping your files or removing everything. If you're experiencing software issues but don't want to lose your personal files, select the option to keep your files. However, if you're preparing your PC for a new owner or want a completely fresh start, you might opt to remove everything. Keep in mind that choosing to remove everything will erase your personal data, so ensure that any important files are backed up before proceeding. Now follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the reset process. Windows will guide you through the remaining steps, ensuring that everything proceeds smoothly. Stay patient, as this process can take some time depending on your system's specifications and the amount of data involved. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reset your Windows 10 PC. Performing a reset can resolve many technical issues and offer a clean slate to improve system performance. Remember, backing up your files before starting this process is crucial to prevent any accidental data loss. If you encounter any issues or have questions about other features, feel free to explore the rest of our videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps in rejuvenating your Windows 10 experience.